Hey guys, I want to show you how I made this glam mirror using mainly items from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to show you the items that I used. I used this plate as well as some gems. I used two different kinds. I used these kinds that look like diamonds as well as the ones that came in the little baggies, about 2 packs of those, as well as a mirror. And then I picked up some paint. It was about 10 bucks, but I get to use it a few times. So first I started by spraying the plate. I did 2 coats of spray paint. I did the first coat and I waited about 20 to 30 minutes and I came back and I did the second coat. You want to make sure that you're doing this in a ventilated room. You don't want to spray too harsh, so you just want to make light coats, as well as, just keeping it far away from your face while you're spraying. For the second coat, I waited a few hours before placing the gems on it. So next I went along and just measured the area that I wanted to place the mirror in, since it wasn't going to take up the entire center of the plate. You don't have to do this. You can try to eyeball it, but I just wanted to get it close to the center as possible. Then I took my glue gun and I just glued the mirror in the middle of the plate. So now it's time for the fun part. I started off by placing the diamond shaped gems, and what I did was I glued the diamond shaped ones every fourth gem. So I placed the small diamond ones, and then I placed 4 big gems, and then I placed another small diamond, and then I did another 4 big gems, and I did this around the mirror area. For the next few layers, I decided that I wanted to place the bigger gems on the outer part of the plate and leave some of the white part showing on the inside. You can always place the gems all around the entire plate, but I just wanted to make some of the white show. I just felt that it gave it a nicer look in my eyes. But yeah, it's just a repeated step going all the way around. You can take breaks in between if you want, just do some and leave some. But what I realized is once you get going, you just pick up a rhythm, and it's actually does not take that long to complete, because what I did was at first I tried to put the glue on the gem and then place it onto the plate. That I found it easier that if I just placed the glue first and then the gems, it just gave me a better application that way. So overall, I ended up doing about 4 layers of these gems. I did the first layer around the mirror in the middle, and then I did 3 layers on the outer part. And as I said, it took about almost 2 packs of the bigger gems in the bags, and then it was just a couple of the smaller diamond gems, so not even a full pack. So I wanted to add a little tip that I did before I glued down any of the gems. I made sure that I placed the gems directly on the plate beforehand just to map out how I wanted it to look and to make sure that the gems fit where I needed it to fit. And that's why I knew that I was able to fit 3 layers of gems around the outer part of the plate. And that's it for my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, as well as subscribe. Until next time, I love you guys so much. Bye.